Good morning guys and welcome to today's video, which is AQA Foundation Tier Paper 2 June 2017 part 3 out of 4 series. Right guys, this video was recorded on Thursday the 22nd of October 2020. Right guys, so this is obviously part 3 out of 4 series. So the next video should hopefully finish all the questions on that video, or maximum there'll be another 2 more videos, but I'll try and make it 1 more video. Okay, so I've picked 3 questions for today's lesson. We're going to go through it. So it's a walkthrough. If you found this useful, guys, please do subscribe to my channel. If you found this useful, drop the video a like and turn on the bell icon by pressing the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Okay, so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, but let's get straight into the video, guys. Right guys, question number 8 says, here is a map. Scale 1 centimeters is equal to 200 meters. And it says north, yeah. So the north should be the arrow up, sorry. So the north is the arrow up. Okay, so on the side of the paper it says north. Like that. Right, so which place is exactly northwest of the station? We'll never eat shredded wheat, so NESW. Okay, so that's the way to remember it. So never eat shredded wheat. Okay, so northwest is going to be that way. Well, the library is the one that is actually, so circle your answer. So it should be library. Yeah, sorry, I'm not sure why I got put there, but the answer to part A is library. For part B, circle the 3-figure bearing from the monumentum of the monumentum from the park. So that way to that way is a straight line, so it's 180 degrees. Okay, part C, we're asked to work out the distance between the cinema and the station. Okay, so what I can do is I can draw a triangle here. So it's 3 by 5 to work out this length here. Is the square root of 3 squared plus 5 squared. So square root of 9 plus 25 is the square root of 34. Okay, which gives us an answer, I believe, of 5.83 centimeters. Okay, and then I'm then going to times my answer by 200 because of the scale at the beginning. So 1 centimeter is 200 meters. Times my answer by 200. And I get 1,166.19, okay, meters. Okay, so that is my answer for part 3. Meters. Right, okay, so I hope that actually made sense, guys. Okay, any questions or queries, put it in the comment section. So just to be clear, okay, the answer to part A is library, so library is part A, part B is 180, and then the answer to part C is 1166.19 meters. Okay. Right guys, question number 24. The pie chart shows information about voters in an election. 3,300 more women voted than men. Work out the total number of voters. Well, a circle, okay, angles in a circle add up to 360. So 360 minus 210 on our calculators is 250. That's going to be 250. Okay. Now it says here that 3,000 more women than men, sorry, 3,360 more women voted than men. Okay, and we're asked to work out the total number. Well, I can write this as like a ratio, so I can form 2 ratios. So I've got here, I've got x to 110, and then I've got x plus 3,360 to 250. Okay, so my degrees with the letters appropriate. Okay, so x goes with this, so I've called x the number of men. Okay, so x number of women, and then x plus 3,360 is the number of women. Okay, so if I was to form an equation, I'll have that this divided by this is equal to this divided by this. So x plus 3,360 2.60 divided by x is equal to 250 over 110. Okay, so this is the rules of ratio, guys. So if you've not seen it before, so I can do this ratio divided by this ratio, or conversely, I can do this divided by this, as long as I'm consistent with my division, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to times up by x and by 110, so I'm going to get 110 brackets x plus 3360 is equal to 250x. Okay, expanding the left hand side, I get 110x plus 369,600 is equal to 250x. Rearranging this, so minusing 110 on both sides, 110x on both sides, I get 140x is equal to 369,600, and then I get x to be, using my calculator, so working out on my calculator, I get an answer of 2,640 for x. Okay, so now I know what x is. Okay, that's going to be 2,640, and then I'm going to do this number plus this number added to 3,360. So I'm going to add 3,360 to that, and I get 6,000 here for women and 2,640 for men. So the total amount is 8,640. Okay, so that's the total amount of voters, okay, for the election. Okay, so that is my answer there, guys. So I hope it made sense, actually. Yeah, so there were a number of topics there. Okay, yeah, any questions or queries, then put it in the comment section, guys. But I hope it made sense so far. Right, guys, last question, okay, of the exam paper. Part A says complete table of values for y is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, so putting in the values, so I've worked them out. So when x is minus 2, it's minus 2 squared, which is 4. Minus 2 is 6. Minus 2 is going to be 4. When x is minus 1, I get 0. Okay, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 2, 0, and then 3, 4. Okay, so that's my answer to part A. And so that is worth 2 marks. And then part B is going to plot the graph. So minus 2, 4 is there, minus 1, 0 is there, 0 minus 2 is there, and 1 minus 2 is there, 2, 0 is going to be there, and then 3, 4 is going to be there. Okay, so my graph is a quadratic, and it should look something. Oh, I've done like a freehand, but it should look something like that. Okay, roughly, yeah, like that. Okay, on your graph. Okay, so yeah, it's a U-shaped. So that is my answer to question number 26, guys. Okay, so obviously make sure on the exam, so it is actually like a freehand. So make sure that you practice drawing curves freehand. Okay, so it is a bit harder doing it on the screen actually, because it's so easy to like make one minor mistake on there, but that is like a rough sketch of what it should look like. Okay, so guys, yeah, to summarize, I hope it made sense. Yeah, I hope it was clear. Please do drop the video a like, subscribe to my channel if you found this useful, share it around, and comment below on any questions or queries that you might have with regards to your exams. Okay, but my last point to remember, guys, is please do always show full workings in your exams. That is a very, very, very key must on paper 1, 2 and 3. Even if it's worth 1 mark, show full workings, because that will show better understanding for the examiner for when they mark your exam paper. And also, if you've got any maths related questions, comment below or drop me an email. Okay, I'll put my email in the description below. Okay, it's Abdallah_123@hotmail.com. .co.uk, and I'll be more than happy to help you if you're looking for private tutoring or extra support with your maths, okay, for GCSE, A level, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, or A level further maths. Okay, so that is my support package. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you soon. Okay, so the next video should be the last set of questions that I haven't covered, okay, for the AQA papers, and then I'm going to move on to paper 3 later, yeah, in the week, okay, or if not next week. Okay, so take care, guys, and I'll see you soon.